In this guide, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Android phone to USB drive. This is the best guide to do so. Intro. First, go ahead and connect the USB drive to your phone using a compatible USB-C adapter or a flash drive, and then swipe up to open up all of your apps, hit Samsung and open up the My Files app or Files by Google app, and select the category containing the files it is that you want to transfer, whether it's images, audio, videos, APK, docs, whatever it might be. I'm going to use images as an example. But then just go ahead and press and hold down on any of the files that you want to transfer. Let's say it's all of them. Select Move down in the bottom left, and then select Internal Storage up at the top, and you need to go ahead and switch it over to USB storage. So go ahead and filter the USB storage, and then down in the bottom right, hit Move here. Now you can create a new folder if you want. It's completely up to you. Just make sure before you disconnect your USB drive that you wait for the transfer to actually finish, and then your selected files will now be stored on that external drive. The process is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.